Every great electronics project starts with the right hardware, and getting it is easier than you might think. Hello everyone, welcome back to Electronics for You. I am Tark, and today I'll show you how you can order your own development boards required for the AIoT Design Challenge 2026, brought to you by electronicsforyou.com, sponsored by DigiKey. Now before proceeding, here's a quick heads up. The registration for the challenge are open from 15th of June 2026, and participants will have up until 29 July to submit their project abstracts. So to make the most out of this development time, it is a great idea to get your hardware ordered as early as possible. In this video, we will walk through the complete ordering process on DigiKey, covering everything from selecting the required boards to placing your order successfully. Here we will be ordering 3 development boards required for this challenge. The first one being Arduino Uno Q, second the M5 Stack Core S3, and third the MAX32 630 Feather Hash. Now here the Arduino Q and M5 Stack Core S3 will be ordered through DigiKey's local logistics partner, which is AQtronics, while the MAX32 630 Feather Hash will be ordered directly through DigiKey. We will also discuss the checkout process, payment options, and our delivery experience so you know what to expect. So let's get started. Now before placing an order, you will need a DigiKey account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in and proceed with ordering. But if you do not have an account, click on register and create an account using your email ID and basic details. Creating an account is a very simple process and it will only take a few minutes to complete. Once your account is created, you can proceed with the ordering. So once you are logged in, you can head to the search bar at the top of the page, and you can search for your product using either the product name or directly the product number. For this order, I'll start with the Arduino Uno Q, for which I have put in the order number. And when the product appears, open the product page, select the quantity and click Add to Cart. A confirmation window may appear showing that the item has been successfully added. Now since we are ordering another board, so we'll click Continue Shopping. Now next we are searching for the M5 Stack Core S3, for which I have entered the product number. Just like before, the product page has been opened. I have selected the quantity, I have added it to the cart. Now once again the confirmation window appears. Now this time I will click on View Cart, since we've added both the boards, and we can proceed with our order. Inside the cart page, make sure your country is selected as India and currency is set to INR. This is an important step because it enables DigiKey's local logistics partner option through AQtronics. With this, you can enjoy INR billing with GST compliance, local customer support, simplified customs clearance, and a reliable last mile delivery. Once these settings are selected, proceed with the order. You will now be redirected to the AQtronics platform, which handles the local logistics process and helps ensure smooth delivery within India. Now on the checkout page, enter your billing and shipping information. Make sure the details are entered correctly to avoid any delays in the process or delivery. In some cases, you may be asked to provide a GST-IN number. Now if you don't have one, you can simply edit the shipping details and select No when asked whether you have a GST-IN number or not. After that, continue to the next step. Now you may be asked to specify the intended application for the product that you're purchasing. For this order, I will select consumer electronics as primary application and wireless communications as secondary application. Once selected, click Continue and proceed with your order. You will now reach the payment page. Depending on your location and preferences, you will see multiple payment options available. Choose the method that is most convenient for you and complete the payment process. And that is it. As soon as the payment goes through, your order gets confirmed. Now let's take a look at how we can order directly through DigiKey. For this example, we'll be ordering the MAX32 630 Feather Hash development board. Please note that this board is not available to be ordered through the local logistics partner of DigiKey in India. So we'll have to complete the entire process through DigiKey itself. The process is almost identical. Simply search the board using the name or part number, select the quantity, add it to your cart, Proceed to checkout, enter your billing and shipping information. The key difference here is that there is no redirection from DigiKey's page to Accutronics. The complete transaction is handled directly through DigiKey's platform, and once the payment is completed, your order gets confirmed. So this was all there was to it. From our experience, the entire process of ordering from DigiKey was very smooth and transparent with regular tracking updates throughout. Whether you're ordering from the local logistics partner of DigiKey or directly from DigiKey, getting your hardware is very simple and hassle-free. And that was how you can order the development boards through DigiKey for the AIoT Design Challenge 2026. We hope that this guide helps you get your hardware as quickly as possible so that you can start building your project for the AIoT Challenge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Electronics for You, because technology drives us.